Well guys, finally it's time to work on the Suzuki Samurai project. It's a 1988 Suzuki Samurai. We're going to start doing some couple upgrades. We're going to take apart the front suspension, make a solid straight axle, take the differential out. We're going to swap the rear end for a Dana 44. It's a 1974 DJ5 rear end. We're gonna use in this. We're gonna start doing engine swap. We're gonna take the Suzuki Samurai engine out. We're gonna use this engine. This one is a 4AGE 20 valve Toyota engine, individual throttle body. We're gonna use this engine here to see what kind of power it makes, to see how it runs. It's supposed to be running good. The engine is running good. It's not have like a lot of horsepower, but it's a nice engine compared with the Suzuki Samurai engine. So yeah, this is an update from the Samurai. Today we're gonna start take the front end on apart, see how far we make it today. Maybe have time to start put the engine out, wire harness. I'll start over here already with the Toyota. Disconnect all the wire harness and mark all the cables, all the wires I need to make it work. So yeah, let's see what happened here. I'll be downloading more videos to the updates I've been doing the Samurai. So if you like the contents, just like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon, guys.